Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Our lesson today is about the Makhrij, the articulation points. It's very important to know how to produce the sound of each Arabic letter properly by various organs such as the tongue, lips, nose, and mouth. So, Makhrij, what does Makhrij mean? Makhrij means, or articulation point means, the articulation point. The articulation means Makhrij. Articulation point means Makhrij. So what is the goal of learning these makharij? Is to preserve the recitation of Quran from the local accent or individual variations. And this brings the reciter closer to the goal of reciting the Quran the way the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught us. So let's start. How many articulation points do we have? How many main articulation points do we have? We have five articulation points, okay? We have five major articulation points. For how many specific articulation points do we have? We have 17 specific articulation points. So, okay, now let's start. What are these five main articulation points? We have number one, we have the Jawf, which is the green area, as you can see here. The green area, the empty space in the mouth and the throat. Okay, this is the empty space in the mouth and the throat. This is the green area. This is the Jawf. This is the Jawf, or we call it the oral cavity. This is the first main or major articulation point. Number two, we have the green area, as you can see, which is al-halq. Al-halq, or we call it the throat. Okay, this is the second main articulation point. The third major articulation point is al-lisan, the tongue. The tongue is the third one. And the fourth one is the nasal cavity, which we call it al-khayshum. As you can see here in the green area, this nasal cavity, we call it al-khayshum. So this is the fourth major articulation point. And then we have the fifth articulation point, which is the lips, as you can see in the green area. So these are the five major articulation points. So today, inshallah, we will take the Jawf, the oral cavity, which is the empty space in the mouth and the throat. Okay, so how many articulation point do we have in the Jawf? It's one articulation point, okay? For how many letters? For 3 mad letters, okay? So al-Jawf is the empty space in the mouth and throat. Okay, and there are 3 letters of the Jawf. Okay, 3 letters. What are these letters? They are the mad letters. The ya sakina preceded by a kasra, the waw sakina preceded by a dhamma, and the alif sakina preceded by a fatha. So these are the mad letters. From where? From the Jawf, from the oral cavity, which is the empty space in the mouth and throat.